Hello again to the robot steel structure course. And now in this lecture we want to draw and modeling the bracing of wind resisting load. So to draw the bracing we go to the robot software. Now we want to define the section of the bracing. We go to section, new section definition. We can choose I section as S, for example beam shape, or we can choose for tube section as also pipe section. Let's do this with pipe section 3 for example, or also we can use HSRE section, hollow structure section rectangle. Let's choose this section. Okay, so now we put add and we go to here, YZ view, and now we want to begin to drawing from here to 9 here, and from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here. Can show now. We can increase this section. Let's increase the section to view it. For example, put it. Okay. Now we want to continue drawing. Okay. Now from here to here and here to here, and now first of all we want to this node with this node, edit, okay. So now from here to Okay, so now from here to here, okay, and from here to here exactly. Now from here to here, and from here to here, also from here to this point, and from this point to this point. Okay, we can now show yes, we can choose them, or we can choose them with this method. Okay, we can edit edit mirror. Okay, now we'll select them again, and we go to edit, move from here to here. Sorry, from close from here to this. Okay, now we select them again. We must know that this bracing member steel work with and tension only, so we must tell the robot that these bars work and tension only. So we select them and we go to edit, geometry, additional attributes, and we go to advanced bar properties. If we check this, we can choose how the bars work, compression or tension. So put them tension bar only and we press apply. We can do the same option for the truss that we have defined and 8 and 9. We can choose the truss, internal truss. We can select them and we go to geometry, additional attributes, and we go advanced bar properties. Here the truss work compression and tension. So to tell the robot that this truss work with tension and compression, we uncheck this option. So now the robot put the truss tension and compression at the same time, and we press apply. Now we must group the bracing that we have drawn. We put group new, So now when we have drawing the bracing, we have finishing from drawing all the structural element. Now in this next lecture we want to draw the cladding of this structure, of our structure. But now with this element we have finishing from drawing all the structural element. So in the next lecture we want to draw the cladding. Okay, the cladding means these. Okay, to close the structure, our structure. Then we want, and the next lecture we want to define the loads, and after we want to do the calculation and the analysis, then design the structural elements. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.